Now back to a very easy letter, meem, meem. Meem is exactly like the M in English, no differences at all. And how it looks like a circle with a tail. So a good example for the letter meem is the word masjid, masjid, masjid. Masjid means mosque. And the word madrasa, madrasa, madrasa. Madrasa means a school. Next letter is the letter ha, and remember ha in the beginning. Ha is kind of like you're cleaning glasses, but ha here is just like the H in English. Ha, ha. Writing the ha can be a little bit complicated. It's kind of like a circle in the middle with like an umbrella on top of it. And a very good example of the letter ha is the word hada, hada. Hada means this. So for example, if you want to say this is my husband, you say hada zawji. If you want to say this is my brother, hada akhi, hada, hada. Another very example of ha is the word hura, hura, hura. Hura in Arabic means nonsense. Next letter is a very easy letter. It's called wow, wow. If you remember how the ra looks like, wow looks just like the ra but with a circle attached to it from the top. It sounds sometimes like the letter W. For example, the word waraqa, like a paper, waraqa, or warda, warda, a flower. Wow, waraqa, warda. Or sometimes it comes like the long vowel oo, like double O, like in the word yaf'aloon. Yaf'aloon. Yaf'aloon means they are doing. Or ya'kulun, they are eating. Or yashraboon, they are drinking. Ooh. So wow can come like wa in waraqa or oo in yaf'aloon. And the last of the 28 letters is ya. Ya. The way it looks kind of like a duck with 2 dots underneath it. And it sounds just like the Y letter in English. So sometimes it comes like ya, like in the word yalab, like he is playing, yalab, or yashrab, he is drinking, yashrab. Or sometimes it comes like the long vowel e, like for example, madrasati, madrasati, like my school. Or qalami, qalami, like my pen. So ya can come like ya, as in yalab, or as e, like in qalami.